Hello agents, hello everyone. Welcome to August 2025, the Split Annuity Update, where we use a MYGA and a SPIA to generate some tax exclusion income. So let's take a look at the combo split annuity for August 2025. Of course, income will be lower in the premium tax states listed above. We're going to start with a $500,000 non-qualified premium. Going to allocate $381,662 over to that SPDA MYG MYGA. That current rate for this particular product is 5.55 at that premium level for all 5 years. Next is we're going to put the difference, that $118,338, into the immediate annuity, the SPIA, and that's going to kick off an income of $21,4685 for 60 months, 5 years. At the, of course, of that, this money is all non-qualified, so the tax exclusion ratio on that income is 91.9. So of the income coming back, 91.9 is tax excluded. The growth is going to be on the other side, where it's going to grow back to $500,000. So all your gains over there, right? Your $118,000 of gain. So that's how the split annuity works for that. After 5 years, the income ends. There's no value on that side. And the $500,000 is available in the account value. All this includes all fees, commissions, any nonsense you want to talk about. It's all built in. So all these numbers are after all fees, charges, everything. And this is the built-in commission. You get 3 on the SPIA. It's 2.5 up to 80 on the MYGA. Now, remember, if you go to a B++, you can get a little bit better. An A- might have a little bit better MYGA. But, you know, overall, this is an A-rated carrier for the MYGA and an A+, very good carrier for the SPIA. So that's how. Let's go take a look at showing my work. We'll look at the period certain and the MYGA. There's your deposits, 118 and 381 going in. There's your exclusion ratio and your monthly income of 2146.85. Of course, it'll show you the non-taxable portion is 1972. So your taxable portion is about $173 on that. So you can decide, you know, you figure it out from there. So that'll return a $10,000 gain after 60 months while paying out. And the other one is a 381. You're at 5.55. You see here, it's got a minimum guarantee after the 50 year of 270. So that's not bad if the world goes, you know, to heck. And also has free withdrawals. But if you access any money out of the MYGA side, of course, it won't grow back to 500,000 because the money's missing. Now, this is like many MYGAs today. They have a 30-day exit window after the 50th year. If not, surrender charges will upload for another 5 years and end after that in this particular contract. Some go forever, but this one's pretty friendly that way. But you have a 30-day window at the end of the 5th year. If you want a true walkaway, we have those rates a little bit lower. Anyway, if you want a split annuity quote, go to AnnuityExperts.com. Just highlight that MYGA rate. You'll see it says split annuity request. Go ahead and click on that. I'll pull up this form, fill that out. If you do it correctly, you get this nice little page and we'll get you over a quote. Be sure to follow us on all our social media, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and of course, follow me, subscribe on YouTube for the most up-to-date information. Here's some little disclosures regarding the annuity. And yeah, that's the end of my presentation. So in the end, that's it. That's some tax excluded income. It's not for qualified money. Qualified money, you just go with the high MYGA, strip the interest because there's no tax exclusion, no benefit to it. So this is for non-qualified money, right? It's a split annuity. It's all guaranteed. You can do from 3 years to 10 years. 5 to 10 is the hot, more products available from the 5 to 10 year range. So anyway, that's how that works. And again, yeah, if you go to A-, I can get you like a 580 on the MYGA. If you go to a B++, we can get you a little bit better on the SPIA and maybe a little tiny bit more commission. But overall, I like these two companies because I have, you know, like over 25 years experience with them being, you know, reliable and all that. But overall, it's all good. We can dial it in any way you want. I'll show you multiple ways. Just give me a call. Anyway, no fees, just insurance guarantees here. X, YouTube, LinkedIn for the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.